Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader, here with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and you can see going on 4 sessions now. Green line is your daily mid-band. It's been a battle, and so far it's a battle that the bears have been winning. Moves up to 68, moves up to 74. Basically, any move over 68 has ultimately been a sell. And we've now closed below the daily mid-band the last 2 sessions where they've attempted to take it out. That, if you're a bear, if you're a short, that's encouraging. Overnight, we had an attempt up at 68. We had a few. I spent most of the night short the 67, 68 area for pushes back down to the lows. And now you're seeing a little bit of a deeper push. So here's the hourly chart. The bulls, they have the advantage above 68, but they're not capitalizing on it. They're failing to convert the daily mid-band. The bears need below weekly pivot. So you can see here's your latest attempt at the daily mid-band. It's now in the 67 area. It effectively, lines up with the daily pivot. That failed. We went ahead and got short aggressively against 65 to see if they want to kind of break this thing down. They pushed it down into the 60s. We'll see if they have anything more. It was enough to get us paid and get our risk out of the trade. So right now we're short with our risk out, and we're just going to see if it can run below 60. If it can, and if it can pick up some momentum, then you're looking at 55. You're looking at weekly pivot. This is the area, though, where you're going to meet very stiff resistance if it's seen. And below this area is where the bears start to actually be a part of the conversation. They're getting the job done up here with resistance, but you're not going to see follow through. You're not going to see downside follow through until the weekly pivot gets taken out. So ultimately, we remain in this battle over the middle band. It's a battle that the bears have shown up for this time, and that's made for some decent trading. It's made for a lot of chop. There was a lot of chop yesterday. I discussed with you guys the difficulties in short-term time frame trading over and above fights over long-term inflection points. Daily mid-band is a long-term inflection point. It ultimately determines the baseline of whether we are buy dips or sell rallies. And it's something typically, like you're seeing now, that both sides will fight over. If you're a very short-term trader, you're going to get whipped up in all of that chop and all of that battle one way or the other. My suggestion is don't overtrade it. Take the opportunity to find out ultimately is the daily mid-band support, or is it resistance more than support? It's been resistance more than support lately, which is why we have been shorting moves up above, and that has done us, that has paid us, and it's kept us on the correct side of the trade much more often than not this week. All right, have a good one. I'll catch everybody for the midday update. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.